Hey, good day to you, troops. Hey, I just wanted to give you a little quick video and graphic showing the difference between accuracy and precision. Now, a lot of these terms you guys have already dealt with in biology or other science classes, but accuracy and precision are probably the two most words that are misused in chemistry. But if you guys watch this little video and look at this graphic, this is going to be a great introduction into how we read our graduated cylinders and understanding the differences between the two.
A good scientific measurement is made with accuracy and precision. Accuracy tells us how close a particular measurement is to the correct value. For instance, how close is the reading of a thermometer to the actual temperature? Precision is the consistency of repeated measurement. In other words, are the results consistent each time something is measured? The more consistent the results, the more precise the measurement. It is possible to have a precise measurement that is not accurate. It is also possible to have an accurate measurement that is not precise. The best measurements are both accurate and precise. Let us look more closely at the difference between accuracy and precision using an archer and target. The archer is accurate when he hits the bullseye. He is precise when he can consistently hit the same spot on the target, in this case the bullseye, over and over again. This archer is both accurate, he hits the bullseye, and precise. He is able to hit the same area of the bullseye repeatedly. It is also possible for the archer to be precise, but inaccurate. If he misses the bullseye, he is inaccurate. He has missed the mark. But if he can consistently and repeatedly hit the target in the same place, even if it is not the bullseye, he is precise. On the other hand, the archer may be accurate, but not precise. If he strikes the bullseye, or right next to the bullseye, but his arrows are not consistently placed, then the archer is accurate, but not precise. In this case, the arrows would be spread across the bullseye rather than clumped together in a small area. If our archer is having a really bad day, he might even be inaccurate and imprecise. In this case, his arrows will strike the target in a random pattern, and he will not hit the same part of the target time after time.
Okay, so what that does is it gives you an idea of graphically what accuracy and precision looks like. If you had a little hard time looking at some of the displays in the background as the video was playing, here's kind of a blown up version of what that looks like. So you can see here that the spacing is not very accurate and it's not very clumped well together, so low accuracy, low precision. Here you have them hitting what we would call an accepted value, so in this case it would be the bullseye. However, the clumping is not all together like it is in the middle, so high accuracy, low precision. Here, not anywhere close to the bullseye target, so low accuracy. However, all of them are in fact clumped, high precision. And then finally we have both of them, high accuracy, high precision, because they're all in the bullseye. So I hope this little video helps. Again, we're all going through this together. I hope your day finds you well. And if you need anything, please make sure you email me or contact me. But hope all is well. We'll talk to you soon. Take care of yourself.